If you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, keep it locked.
Damn.
Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trinity Mom Beauty. If you all want to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. And before my video even starts, hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe. You see that red button down below? Hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to be starting with my Sacha Cream Foundation in the shade Perfect Spice. City Color Blush Quad, this shade right here. So the next shade I'm going to be using from the same palette is this shade right. But I'm not going to drag it all over, I'm going to just put it right. This shade right here. I also contour with this all the time. So you're just gonna drag a little bit down here and you go right back, but you concentrate most of it across here. My LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Nude, and I'm just going to be tapping it right along my eyelid. So for this look, I'm going to be dabbling into my Coastal Scents 252 palette. Oh my gosh, there are so many colors on this. Really red one right here. There are one. The second shade I'm going to use is this really pretty yellow shade right here. So I'm going back in to blend them together with a little bit of red, the first red shade, and I'm just going to mix it in right here. Is this green right here. I'm going to add this orange shade right here. So now I'm going to use this blue. So I think this blue is a little too light, so I'm going to go with a darker blue. And now to blend it, I'm going to add a little more of the green and just blend them in together. The same green that I had before. Purple shade right here. Now you see how light that is on my skin, like that is too light. I'm looking like yo. So I'm going to be using my Perfect bronze to bring some warmth back to this face up in here. Yes, warm that face up, girl. You is looking too pale. Yes, let's bring some blackify this face, girl.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So now I'm going to use some Sacha Pure Jewels. This is actually like gold glitter dust. So this is what it looks like. This is just the cover, but it's pretty gold, and it's really fine gold. Sasha powder in the shade Perfect Bronze. Elegant matte lipstick in the shade Backstage. Jordana in the shade Morocco. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. If you all are interested in seeing the video on how I did my hair, please check in that annotation over there or that card, because annotations are no more, so check right there. That's the card right now. Okay, if the card isn't here, it's gonna be here, okay? Check the card right here or here. Trini Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye.